pwede pa ba akong mag-march?
Ay, oo nga, anak. Oh, mag-march ka. Sige, sandali lang, Ben. Importante to. Alam mo naman, minsan lang kasal. Alam mo yan.
Okay.
Ay, tulong naman ako. Ben, pwede ba akong magpatulong sa assistant mo?
Francis, tulungan sila.
Halika, Pidoy. Iurong natin tong table. Tan, tan, tadan. Tan, tan, tadan. Tan, tan, tadan. Tan, tadan. Tan, tadan.
I'm sorry. I thought this was the office of Judge Ben Soledad. Sabi kasi ng receptionist dito daw eh.
Lumipat na siya ng room. Pakitanong na lang sa reception ulit.
Okay, thank you.
Okay na.
Man, ano nangyari?
Mali yung office na binigay sa akin ng babae kanina. Wala naman sila daddy doon.
Teka, hanapin ko. Diyan ka lang ha. Babalik ako.
Dad, sumagot ka.
We are gathered here to unite this man and this woman in the legal bond of marriage. We come together today not to mark the start of the relationship of knowledge, strengthen and bind in law abundant. That was already existed between them. This wedding ceremony is a public and legal affirmation not abundant, and along with you, the dearest and family and friends of Robert Rodriguez, Elizabeth Morales, it's my honor and privilege to officiate the significant, memorable event of their lives.
Mahal, tara. Alam ko na yung office ng judge. Doon.
Saan?
But before I proceed with the wedding ceremony, I would like to apologize, but it is obligatory on my part to ask all the person here present, is there anybody here that objects to the marriage of Robert Rodriguez and Elizabeth Morales?
Object? Ay, wala nang ibang bisita. Ito na yun. Anong object? Ay, ikaw ba, Bidoy? May problema ka sa kasalang to? Wala. Tuloy mo na. Walang object.
So, if there will be no objection, I must proceed. Now let's proceed to the exchange of rings. Repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Robert Rodriguez,
Wear this ring as a sign of my love to you
wear this ring as a sign of my love to you
and to honor you,
and to honor you,
respect you for all the days of my life.
respect you for all the days of my life.